This can destroy cucumbers and tomatoes much faster than most gardeners think if you do not protect the plants in time. As soon as warmer days arrive and rain follows, humidity rises sharply and creates perfect conditions for dangerous fungal diseases like powdery mildew and blight. The problem is that many people notice the disease only when the leaves begin drying out and developing spots, but by then it is often too late to completely stop the spread. That is exactly why prevention is the most important thing, and now is the right time to protect your plants before the problem even appears. Just a few warm and humid days are enough for the disease to spread through the entire garden and destroy a large part of the harvest. Today, we're making a natural fungicide that many gardeners use as prevention, but people often make several big mistakes that make the effect much weaker. So make sure to watch until the end because I will show you exactly what you need to avoid. We will need a medium-sized container into which we will add around 200 milliliters of horsetail tea. If you do not have horsetail, you can also use chamomile. Horsetail is interesting because it contains a lot of natural silica, which can help leaves become stronger and more resistant to moisture and disease. That is why gardeners often use it during rainy periods, when powdery mildew and blight spread the fastest through the garden. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which works completely differently because it does not feed the plant, but changes the conditions on the leaf surface, making it harder for fungi to develop. When properly diluted, it can help slow down powdery mildew before the disease spreads seriously. That is why many gardeners use it preventatively after rain and warm weather, when fungal diseases spread the fastest. Now we come to the ingredient that helps the mixture stay on the leaves longer. I will add 100 milliliters of low-fat milk because it contains proteins, natural enzymes, and small amounts of calcium that may benefit the plant during growth. When sprayed on the leaves, powdery mildew develops much more slowly, especially on cucumbers and zucchinis. It works best when used regularly as prevention and not only after the plant is already badly infected. Then, dilute this concentrate with another liter of water. But be careful, many gardeners make a big mistake here and spray plants during the hottest part of the day. At that time, the droplets can damage the leaves and the plant can quickly lose its healthy appearance. That is why you should spray plants only early in the morning or evening when there is no strong sun. Write in the comments if you have already had problems with powdery mildew and whether you will try this protection.